Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very amazing because we are going to talk about LinkedIn Campaign Manager, how we can use LinkedIn Campaign Manager, how we are going to get our ads account at the LinkedIn. Okay, so first of all, we have to go for the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So make sure that your LinkedIn account is already signed up on the website. Okay, so that you just click on this link and you will reach to your campaign manager or the ad manager account. Okay, so as you can see that I have just clicked on the main website and my account has already been linked. Okay, so it has taken me to our first campaign. Okay, so let's you can, if you want to set up your first campaign, you can select next, or if you want to go to back to account dashboard, you can just select back. Okay, so that's how you will get your dashboard. Here you can see that you can add your, you can create a new campaign here by just clicking on the campaign, or you can also create a campaign group so that you can manage your multiple campaigns within one group. Okay, so let's suppose we want to run a campaign for website visits. Okay, you create a campaign group and you can add a website visit, and then you can also add for the leads generation in the same campaign group. Okay, because they are related to the same category. So if you want to add another category, you can add your another campaign group here. Okay, so and you can also see the status of your campaign, but as you can see there are no campaign here right now, so that's why this option is not available here. When you run a campaign, you will be added, your ad will start running and they will display here. There you will see the name of your ad, you will see their current status, and you will also see what kind of campaigns group they have been assigned. And you can see in this section the amount spent on that campaign, and you will see the results and the cost per results and the impression throughout that campaign. All of this detail will be available in this portion. Okay, so on the left side you will see here your account. Okay, and in the plan section you will get your audiences, companies, media plans, and brand safety, each and everything. You can also customize your audience with the help of your ad manager while running any ad. You can select or customize your audience, like what kind of audience you want to have. Okay, so this is the overall dashboard about how you can use. Okay, so if you want to also use a business manager account, you will just click on this business manager, and then you will be able to use the business manager. So in the account settings you can manage your billings as well as manage access, who can access your ads campaign manager account of at the LinkedIn. Okay, so you can add team members as well who with whom you can work in a group. Okay, so that was all about LinkedIn campaign manager, how we can use it, how we set it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.